Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to export Figma prototype to video. So I'm going to show with you in this video step by step, and make sure watch this video till the end. So guys, open your Figma account and look this dashboard as you can see here, and you can use this file as you can see here, and have to go and get plugin. So you get this plugin, you have to main and go to the plugin, manage plugin as you can see here, and search up export give video as you can see here, and this you can use you want to, but I'm just going to click on this right here and ask you to export the file, and just choose the file right here over, and just go ahead and choose your file that you want to export of this Figma. So drag this file and just like as you can see here, and you export your frames, and after that good to go. Yeah, this is basically how you can export Figma prototype video. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.